2024 Lamborghini Urus. Starting at $235 est. Highs. A high-performance SUV with actual off-road cred, decadent interior, as quick as a Lamborghini. Lows. Complex, heavy, carries a honkin' price tag. Verdict. The Urus combines the vicious performance of a Lamborghini with the capability of an SUV. Overview. The Urus is Lamborghini's second SUV, following the Rambo Lombo LM002, but it's not exactly a purebred Italian. It rides on the same platform as other elegant beasts of burden such as the Audi Q7, Q8, Porsche Cayenne, and the Bentley Bentayga. Even the 657 HP twin-turbo V8 is made in Germany before getting shipped to Sant'Agata Bolognese, where the Urus is assembled. An upcoming hybrid powertrain will double down on the Urus's saddle of electronics. From its 8-speed automatic transmission to its torsion center differential and torque vectoring rear diff, the Urus is the most advanced mechanical bull around. What's new for 2024? Lamborghini doesn't change much for the 2024 Urus, but CEO Stefan Winkelmann did confirm that the high-performance SUV is getting a hybrid powertrain in 2024, either replacing or complementing the current 657 HP twin-turbo V8 engine. Pricing and which one to buy. S. $235,000, est. Performante. $270,000, est. Hybrid. $300,000, est. Sure, we could save about $35,000 by opting for the standard issue Urus S, but that means we'd also miss out on maximum performance. That's why we want the Performante, which features a lower suspension with firmer steel springs, myriad weight reduction measures, and more. We'd opt for the larger 23-inch wheels, too, wrapped in racetrack-ready Pirelli P0 Trofeo R rubber. Again, the mission is max performance. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Urus is powered by a 657 HP twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. The planned hybrid powertrain hasn't been revealed yet, but we'll update the space when that information becomes available. The Urus's engine burbles deeply when idling, and absolutely howls under full throttle. Permanent all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission conspire with all that power to enable fantastic acceleration. In our testing, the Urus went from rocketed to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and tore up the quarter mile in 11.3 seconds at 121 miles per hour. Likewise, Lamborghini estimates a top speed of 190 miles per hour. The Urus feels athletic from behind the wheel, too, with quick steering and stable high-speed cornering. With air springs at all four corners, the Urus has adjustable ride heights based on its various drive modes. Standard carbon ceramic brakes ensure that the Urus stops as well as it goes, braking from 70 miles per hour to a stop in 149 feet. For drivers who want an even racier Urus, the new Performante model is the answer. It sits 0.8 inch lower and is claimed to 104 pounds lighter than the standard version. It's available with 23-inch wheels and super sticky Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires. Plus, the Performante alone has a steel spring suspension and a different center differential that sends more torque rearward than normal. The Ultra Urus also introduces a new rally drive mode that's intended for unpaved surfaces. We tried it out during a prototype drive of the 23 Urus Performante, which was a lot of fun, but we doubt many owners will actually thrash their six-figure SUV on gravel-covered, off-road courses. If taken to the racetrack, we're happy to report that the Performance myriad upgrades pay off by providing a snappier powertrain, more steering feedback, and a firmer ride. Plus, it proved to be 0.1 seconds quicker to 60 miles per hour in our testing. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Burning a gallon of gas is likely a drop in the bucket for those wealthy enough to afford a Urus, but Lamborghini's heaviest model sure likes to drink. The EPA estimates that the 657 HP Urus will deliver 14 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway. While we haven't tested its real-world MPG on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, its mileage will certainly vary based on driving style. For more information about the Urus's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, occupants are treated to a dramatic cabin that's classic Lambo. Jet fighter design cues abound, with the start button hiding beneath a red flip cover and the shifter looking like a jet's throttle. To the left of the shifter are levers that control the drive modes and allow customizable performance settings. There is plenty of faux suede and carbon fiber trim, while the infotainment system and reconfigurable gauges are straight out of an Audi. The back seat has good passenger space and can fit between 2 and 3 people depending on which seating configuration is selected. Interior cubby storage is highlighted by useful door pockets and a bin behind the floating center stack. The Urus also offers up to 22 cubic feet in its cargo area, but that drops by 2 cubes with the optional rear bucket seats. Infotainment and connectivity. Every Urus is packed with the latest connectivity and infotainment features. Along with a fully digital gauge cluster, there are 2 touch screens built into the center stack that include controls for the climate system, audio, and more. The screens have crisp graphics and large icons, but they're not as intuitive as traditional knobs and buttons. Safety and driver assistance features. The Lambo SUV also offers an array of standard and optional driver assistance technology, including a night vision camera. For more information about the Urus's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology, standard blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert, available self-parking assist, warranty and maintenance coverage. Lamborghini doesn't provide a lengthy warranty, with 3 years and no mileage cap. Likewise, it doesn't come with complimentary scheduled maintenance. However, the Italian automaker does offer extended warranty and maintenance plans for extra coin. Limited warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.